Hey guys, I am Mini saying today we are going to review something, but before that I had to say a really sorry. I'm so sorry I didn't make more videos. I'm 6th standard in middle school, right? So how can I need to study, so I'm so sorry. Forgive me guys, please. So today I was thinking why you are not doing YouTube, and I was like, okay, we'll plan something. And after 5 minutes, I heard the door ring. And when I go there, it was like a box, like a package. It was like standing in the front of the door. I was like, what? And I was seeing this package saying by unknown. And it says find me with a smart face. See guys, so this is a package and backside, and it looks like old, so I think something will be inside. So let's open, guys. Looks friendly. I need scissors, guys, please wait.
Okay, we are back with scissors. You can see this way. So, chop me here.
No. So we're just going to look at this package. Just gonna cut it. Okay. I finished cutting. So there's another. Oops, guys, that's weird. So let's see. Are you guys? Please, guys, see this before what it says. Wait a minute. 1 minute. Let me just keep it somewhere for this paper. Moto 5? Why is everyone sending a free phone? What is Moto 5? You can see right here. You can see this color or this color. And it's 12.7 centimeter. Full HD, 1800. So I don't care. Let's open my new phone. So where's my handy scissors? Right here. We're gonna open, guys. I think this review is going to be reviewing of my new Moto phone. Okay, let's open, guys. Okay, 3, 2, customizing time? What? Why should I customize right now? So let's see what is inside. Customize me. Solar. Wow, see guys! Paint. A paint. There's another one. Another paint. Cotton. Paintbrush. What it says? A stick. Clay rock. Car. And of course boils. Let's review, and at the part 2 we are going to use all of these and customize. Please guys, wait.
I can see this. So we're just going to proceed with paint stuff. Looks so pretty. Looks like a magic. I love you guys. We can customize gold and silver. And the silver looks like a sweet. What? I think it's edible. No, it's not edible. So sorry. So next our little paintbrush. You can see. Paintbrush. And there's coin inside. That's it. Wait, this says common? This means common? This This might is where this community is question mark mystery.
Okay, so we'll unbox it right now and let's see what we're gonna get. So I'm just going to unbox this first. We're gonna.
This is here, but I don't want to be like two. So let's cut it together. Okay, we'll just tear it. Not tear it. So, okay, get something.
Wow, it's an ice cream stick. I think we are going to customize this ice cream stick at the part 2. Are you guys ready to customize this? Yeah. And please comment down below for what to customize this. Please, guys. And next we're gonna unbox this. We're gonna get our scissors. Not gonna just open. Just gonna... Okay. Okay, guys. 3, 2, 1. Wait, it looks sticky because it's square. And see, can you hear the sound? It's so hard. Okay, we'll just take it easy. Before that, let me do the ASMR with my nails. In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, guys, we have our nails, paper nails. So we're gonna do some ASMR. So here you go. So this is also like wedge. So okay, guys. So we are gonna like unbox this stuff. So here are the box. Okay, guys, we'll just unbox normally. So this says open. So we got gained our scissors. So, opening time. It's open. 3, 2, 1, go! What? It's a paper? Wow. Okay, guys, it's got alert. You got 3, 2, 1 toys. I got it. What? I don't know what. This is common, but be grateful that you got some free. Okay, we are just gonna see. This is just a normal one. This one. It written something. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it said full food. Let's see. I don't know if there may be like, see, something's in here. But first, I'm gonna open this. Oh, it's plastic. Oh, whistle. Why it's not working? Maybe you have to put this. I'm going to be a train now. So we'll go to the next one. Let's see what is the pink one. To the stair.
Oh, why don't you stay here? Okay. Wait, it's good. So there's a hole and you have to insert something here, but there's nothing to insert.
Maybe this will be the one to insert. Let's see, guys. That's why I think this will be the one who will insert.
Cut. Let's cut this, guys. Okay. Wait, I can see something. Can you see this, guys? Whoa. We're gonna try putting in this one. Oh, wow. Wow. It's stuck. It's stuck. The bubble. Another one. there's more inside. Let's see.
Okay, guys, I really appreciate for you guys. I got this, I got this that I ate, and we're gonna put this inside back. And I got this, I got this, I got this set, I got this, and thank you for watching, guys. Next video,
We are going to customize.
so stay tuned.